Hello viewers. Today in this video you are going to learn about the syllabus of class 10th science 2020. Let's start the video. Science syllabus is further divided into 5 units. Each unit is further classified in different sections, where first unit consists of chemical substance, nature and behavior of it, which is of 25 marks. Your second is living world, which is of 23 marks. Third is natural phenomena, 12 marks. Fourth is effect of current, 13 marks. Last is natural resource, 7 marks. Total 80 marks. Now your rest 20 marks will be given to you as an internal assessment. Now let's discuss about the detail of class 10th syllabus. First section is of chemistry. In your chemistry, your first chapter is chemical substance and its reactions. Like in this chapter you will learn about the chemical equation, balancing the chemical equation, types of chemical reactions, neutralization and oxidation. While your second chapter is acid, bases and salts, here you will learn about the acid, bases, general property, pH and few named chemicals like sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, plaster of Paris, etc. Your third chapter is metal, non-metal. Here you will learn about the formation of different chemicals, metallic property, non-metallic property, corrosion and its prevention. Your fourth chapter is carbon and its compound. Here in this chapter you will learn about the property of carbon, why it is so versatile in nature, formation of aldehyde, ketones and their reactions. Your fifth chapter is periodic classification. Here you will learn about the elements, how they are arranged, when they are arranged and what are the criteria of their arrangement. Your next section is of biology, which starts with your first chapter, that is life process. It is quite a lengthy chapter which is further divided into small sections like nutrition, respiration, transportation, etc. Your second chapter is divided into two sections. First one is chemical coordination in plants, while second one is chemical coordination in animals. In both the sections you will learn about the hormones, its effect in different organs, etc. Your next chapter will be reproduction. You will learn the reproduction in both plants and animals, management, family planning, etc. you will learn here. Your fifth and the last section of biology will be heredity and evolution. Now let's move towards the physics portion. Physics portion starts with the natural phenomena, which will be your first section. Here you will learn about the reflection, its laws, refraction, its laws, how they are implemented. Few numericals will be also added here. Your next section will be related to current. Here you will learn two things. First one will be effect of current and second one will be the magnetic effect of current. Here you will also learn about some appliances like AC, DC motor, domestic circuit, etc. Your last section is very easy and it will help you in gaining more marks. Your last section is related to the nature, just like management of natural resources, our environment, energy, etc. So this is the complete information regarding the syllabus of science. For more detail, stay tuned with me and we will be discussing about some more important topics related to this. section in our next video. Thank you and have a good day.